Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello there. I'm sorry, I feel like I look so silky right now. I will be transforming myself into an upgraded version of myself in a bit. In today's makeup tutorial, yes, it's another Raya makeup look. So I posted this look right here in my Instagram account a few days ago, and a lot of people really liked that makeup. I really liked that makeup as well. On that day, I was actually trying on new products that I just got, and I really liked the outcome of it. So I thought that today I am going to recreate the look that I did in this tutorial, so you guys can achieve this look as well. Bear in mind, most of the products that I use here are available at Sephora, so they are mostly high-end. I am gonna use a few drugstore products as well, but they are very few. All of the products that I use today are definitely my recommendations, the products that I would personally use even if I'm not recording. Yeah, that's it. I've talked too much. Let's get straight on to the tutorial. To start it off, I'm going to use this Shu Uemura Stage Performer Block Booster Protective Moisture Primer. I've just received this as well, so I've only used it a couple of times. But one of the reasons I thought that this was a good idea to use this is because it has SPF 50 PA+++. It's very good for days that you know that you're gonna spend your time outdoors a lot. Foundation that I will be using today is the Shu Uemura Unlimited Foundation. This is also new to me and I've only used it a couple of times, but within that couple of times that I've used it, it has served me really well, and I definitely have been loving using this foundation. If you ask me, this foundation is definitely Aisha approved. I took a slightly lighter shade because this foundation does oxidize a little bit. I'm the type of person who'd rather have my skin a little bit lighter than it to be a little bit darker. If I get it to match my face perfectly, then that would be even better, but you know, a girl can be so lucky. Alright, and then straight on to brows. For brows today, I'm gonna use Benefit's Ka-Brow Cream Gel Brow Color. Usually I like to use the pencil one, Precisely My Brow Pencil or Goof Proof, but anticipating Raya will probably be out and about the whole day and you want your eyebrows to stay in place, right? With Ka-Brow, you will get a 24-hour wear, so it's very heavy duty. Your brows will stay in place the whole day for sure. Always put on eyeshadow primer. It doesn't matter what it is. That's the only way that your eyeshadow will not crease. It will stay in place, and so that the color payoff will be way better than if you just put it on your naked skin. I'm gonna use this eyeshadow primer from Guerlain. You don't have to use exactly this one. This one happens to be the one that I brought to Penang with me, so you probably will see this again and again in several of my videos, the ones that I filmed here in Penang. The eyeshadow for this look, I actually did it really simple. You guys would be shook to know that it was really simple, the eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow palette that I used is the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. This eyeshadow palette is also relatively new to me. Somehow, the PR package arrived a little bit late. This is probably the first few times I'm trying out this eyeshadow palette. It's pretty good so far. I've been liking it. All in all, I only used two colors for this look, and the first one is the shade Retro over here, and I'm gonna put this all over my eyelid, and it's also gonna be our transition shade. And then after that, I took the shade Reputation and applied that all over my mobile eyelids. And as usual, for shimmery shades, I love to use my fingers to do this. And then take the Retro shade again and apply that on the lower lash line. Now we can just curl our lashes and move on to mascara. For mascara, I'm also gonna use something that is relatively new to me. I got this in a PR package about, I think, last week. And it's the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Primer and also the mascara. I never thought I needed a mascara primer until I used this. With this mascara, it really brings out the full potential of your natural lashes. Moving on, eyeliner. I'm gonna use this eyeliner from Shu Uemura. I know I'm using like so many Shu Uemura stuff, but it's only because I just recently got these products and I wanted to try them out. I have tried them out, but I think that they're actually pretty good. I'm gonna pop on some falsies and also some contact lenses, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back, settled with the eyes, and now we can move on to the face. I'm gonna put the concealer first, and the concealer that I'll be using today is this one from Mercier. This is the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. As usual, I'm gonna put this on the high points of my face, and then I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty sponge. Set that concealer in place, I'll be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder. I love using this because it sets my makeup without caking up my face. For bronzer, I'm gonna use one of my favorite bronzers, and it is from the drugstore. It is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I'm gonna sculpt this round face of mine. We're gonna contour the nose, as I always do. Start from the bottom and work your way to the top and connect to your eyebrow. For blusher, it's also from the drugstore, and I have been loving using this a lot. It's the Rimmel Maxi blush in the shade 004 Sweet Cheeks. It's a really nice corally color which would match perfectly with the eye look that we've created. Now for highlight, I'll be using this Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in the shade Kitten. This highlighter will give me like that wet kind of look, and I am really digging that kind of look. It's not too intense, but it gives you that natural glow. Almost there. I'm gonna line my lip before putting on lipstick, and the lip liner that I am using today is this one from H&M. And for the lipstick, I'm gonna use my favorite Hermosa x Shazriana Shukri liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Lust. And then for that dolly look that I always go for, especially for this look that I've created today, I want to use this Shu Uemura Rouge Unlimited Matte Lipstick. I'm going to mix that with the lipstick that I've put on before. Lastly, it's time to set the makeup in place, and for this time I'm going to use the Shu Uemura Stage Performer Fresh Top Coat Makeup Fix Mist. Alright, that's it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this transformation. To be honest, this is not even difficult to achieve, and if you think that you don't have all of the products that I used in this video, you can always substitute it with something that you already have, something similar maybe. But yeah, I am really loving this look. I know you guys are going to ask me things like where I got my shawl, or where I get my falsies and my colored contacts, for sure. So everything that I used today, including details and on all those stuff, will be listed in the description box below, so do check that out. I hope you guys have a blessed Ramadan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, as always, you can click on the subscribe button below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye bye.